What's going on, Pyros? So, went on a little road trip and passed by a couple of fireworks stores that I thought were worth checking out. So, this is going to be my first stash update for the 4th of July in 2026. So, starting off with the first store that I went to, in this bag, got some Full Metal Jacket Roman candles. A Zoinks 200-gram cake. Some Big Ball firecrackers, 25 in a pack. And these Kaboom crackers, 50 piece. Next door that I went to, I grabbed a Shark Bite, or no, Shark Teeth Roman candles. Got some of these rabbit crackers. Really excited for these right here. And a Bug Fever. Had this cake before, love it. If you see it, definitely get it. But excited to try out these. Everything else I've never shot off before, so yeah, it's gonna be fun.